Have you ever felt unpleasant smell during staying at a hotel? Did you know the operational failures are mainly caused by diapers, towels, or other items flushed on the toilet? What can a hotel do if an inconvenient blockage in the system causes a problem that affects guests, potentially endangering its reputation? Whether it's a new or old hotel, it's crucial to ensure the smooth operation of drainage systems by installing a clog-free wastewater pump with a guarantee. Did you know that Xylem has a unique, smart solution for a sewage pumping system called Concertor? We are not joking. We tested the product before launching for 10 years. Once the Xylem Concertor and control system is in place, glitch-free operation is assured by the world's first sewage pumping system having a built-in brain. The pumping station has numerous smart functions, including pipe cleaning, soft start and stop, sump cleaning, self-cleaning hydraulic system, and automatic duty point selection. The pumping station deals mercilessly with the most stubborn potential causes of clogging. Once the Xylem Concertor is installed, you can forget about problems and expenses caused by clogging, saving both money and energy. Our wastewater pumps are the best guarantee of your guests' undisturbed rest and your satisfaction. Xylem, smart water and wastewater solution for hotels.